Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I will be unboxing one of the Boxycharms. I'm not sure which one it is because this month they both look alike. So I won't be sure until I open it whether this is the premium or whether this one is the BoxyLuxe. So we're gonna open this one first and then check out the next video, and that one will be whatever the other one is. Okay, now for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, I'll leave the details below so that we don't prolong this video any longer than we need to. So let's check it out and see which one it is. Okay, so when I open it up, okay, this is the Luxe. I only know it because that's what the box says right there. So let's see what the $50 from our quarterly box includes. So our theme for this month is the Oasis. Okay, and we do have a few other cards enclosed. The Kylie Skin, which of course all of us received, and then the Perfect Glow BB Cream. The first item that we have is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash, and it says our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $24. And this is what the bottle looks like. Okay, this is the packaging, which I must say is cute. So this is item number one. Item number two is okay, now I have a little bit of a challenge with the next item because, well, we'll talk about that in a second. The next item is the Seasoned Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. This is a complexion product, and it says complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this is $15, and this is a 1.4 fluid ounce size, and the shade that I have is Tan Deep. Now I have a challenge with it because I did say that this was not an item that I necessarily would want. Why? They don't usually get my shade correct. So I did squeeze a little bit of it on. Well, this is probably the best, best color match I've seen, but I am such a full coverage girl for reasons that I will tell you real soon. But this is it. once I have rubbed it all in. Okay, but I'm a little concerned because if they're saying they use the beauty quiz to make these suggestions, then why is this a product that I received? I think I'm gonna have to reach out to Boxycharm and ask with regards to this BoxyLuxe product. Nonetheless, the information is on that other card that was actually inside. If anything, I guess I would be using this underneath, you know, a light layer underneath my foundation for the summertime. We'll see. I'll check it out and see exactly how much coverage there is. Okay, so moving right along, the next item that I have is by Lily Lashes. This is that product right here, and it says Triple X Mascara, an extra elongating, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $24. Okay, now y'all know I do not open mascaras until we are ready to use them, and I have such an abundance of them, so this one will sit, but I just wanted you to see what the packaging looks like, which is just like the packaging of the box. Okay, so there we go. I can also put up a stock photo so that you can see exactly what the wand looks like. Okay, so that's the next item, and then after that we have the OC Kwai Shea Sculptor, and this says bring the spa home and mimic the effects of our cult favorite skincare studio treatment. Chisel, lift, and define facial contours with this Jade Tool. It is a little heavy, y'all. It says melt muscle, tension, and improve skin firmness. With consistent use, facial Kwai Shea can help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $32. So let's check it out. Oh yes. And you know what? It is Jade. Here you go. Okay. That is what it looks like all the way around. And as with Jade, it's always nice and cool. Okay. So I do like how this feels. I'm very excited to use this and see how it turns out. Oh, it does have a little card on the inside of the bag, and this one tells you exactly how to use it. It says cleanse face and hands, prep skin, okay, with your favorite facial oil or serum, hold stone against skin at a 15-degree angle and apply light to medium pressure under the eyes. Gently sweep from inner corner of the eye outward. Use long, slow, and intentional movements to relax muscle. To sculpt and define, use upward and outward strokes and wash after each use. So this is what it looks like. And of course, it gives you the precise movements and directions to reach the desired goal. Okay. All right, I'm here for that. I probably never would have purchased this for myself, especially at $35, but I'm okay with trying it out to see what it's like. So the next item that I have is, let's see, this is Greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream. It definitely says head to toe cream, but this is kind of like a spray bottle. Oh, no, it is not. Okay. And our description card says, this unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption. It's also packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe. For all skin types, and the manufacturer suggested retail price of this right here, which is a full size, is $56. It's $56, and this is a 1 ounce size. This says it is a 100 milligram level of cannabidiol. Okay, let's just see. I did just put a little on here, so we're going to see what this is like. Okay, it does not have a smell to it, but it actually feels rather nice. Okay, and this is what my skin looks like after. It absorbs very, very quickly. It's not sticky at all. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now I have well, we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, and then the next item that I have is by Bodyography, and this is a lip pencil set. And I have the shade Pouty and Rosewood. And it says antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips. Enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this is $28. Now okay, I was really checking because this box was open. Now I'm gathering that they were checking to make sure the pencils were actually inside. So they don't look like they've ever been used or, you know, anything other than sharpened. So I am okay with that. And this one is Pouty. Oh, you're going to have a little bit of an issue seeing this because this is actually very close to the shade of my skin. Ooh, I like this. Oh, I'm feeling this rosewood. Okay. So here we go. See, can barely see it, can you? This one right here, this one on the top, is Pouty. This one on the bottom is Rosewood. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Now the sun is kind of really coming through the window right now, so if it gets, the color gets a little off, there's absolutely nothing I can do about it, but I'm grateful that I have some sunshine coming through. Okay, so that is the next item. And moving right along, the next one is a Pure Heals product. I love this brand. Oh my God, I love this brand. I love this. This one is the Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask, an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $55. Now, I was actually introduced to Pure Heals from a subscription box, and I love their products. I like this too. It comes with a spoon. Unfortunately, this one is not magnetic, so I have to be real careful with where it is. It does have that same medicinal smell as the oil that I received from them. Absolutely. And this is what the product looks like. I do like the packaging as well. So let's see the texture. I put it on right here. Okay. Now let's see what the instructions say for this. It can be used at night every day. Okay, that's what it says. Okay. Now, it could be because I put so much on. Actually, it still has that little bit of a medicinal smell to it. Now, they do have a caution on the side to watch for red spots, which would mean that this product is too strong, and you probably need to cut back on the amount that you are using. Okay, but I do love Pure Heals by Nature Village, and if this product is as good as the oil, I'm sure that I will love this one too. So the last item is the Tartar Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. It says, prepare for an expressive explosion. Being passionate about pigment, this sequel to the OG Pro Palette came to play. This rich, vibrant 20 shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $48. Now, this one has a magnificent, this one has a magnificent mirror attached to it. And let me see if I can cover it over. Here we go. And here, oh, the smell is, okay, I went to turn it around and the smell hit me. It smells amazing. And here are our shades. Look at that. This palette smells amazing though. It really does. Okay, and let's see. I'm going to swatch Trendy, Drama, and Vamp. How about that? How's that looking? Not bad at all. These are the items that come in our June Boxyluxe, and below I will also give you the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the items that were included. And I would also like to let you know that I have variation number 13. Okay, now, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.